I'm gonna call Charlie over here and she's gonna yell. Or she's gonna like tap on me. Charlie! Charlie! Hey Charlie! Okay.
Julia?
Charlie's jumping on me. Making that clicky sound because he saw birds. And I can see. Where's Bitsy? Okay. He's not gonna make that clicky sound. Just snow, right? It's not just snow. That's just a lot of snow. We haven't had school so far. Well, today is, let's go look at the calendar. I know you can barely see, but I have a really nice house. But we're getting the things done on that stuff. And my room's a mess, so don't make fun of me. I don't know if you can see, but I sure can. Here. Well, it is, I don't know. Oh, it's not January anymore. It's February. Sorry, this is boring. That's awesome. Isn't it? Oh, no. It's fine. Gosh darn it. Okay, February the... I think it's February the 7th. But don't ask me. I think, yeah, it's definitely February the 7th. So, just so that everybody is clear and how long that is and how long we haven't had school. So we'll find the next slow marker. Funny time thing. Lots of both. Emily.
What?
I need to borrow an expo marker. Just one.
Why?
Because I want to write on my board.
What color do you need?
How about the blue? I'll bring it right back, I swear, actually.
But don't leave it out like you did before, or break it.
I won't.
Or break the bottom off. Again.
Pretty floors, pretty dog. Again, don't look at my room. It's dirty. Move Hobbs out of the way here. Find something to erase with. Oh, I'll draw this again. I'll be back to tell you how long it is, how long we have had school, so yeah.
Look at how fast I am going.
Well, it gets a little more steep down there around the corner.
I'm so much fun.
There she goes. I can't keep up. Here she goes. Strapping them on. Alright, I'm going to get down there a little bit. See what happens.
Ricky's jealous.
What do you want, boy? Well, there he goes. The better. Alrighty, I'm missing all of it. Phantom, what do you make of this business? Here comes the other. It's impossible to videotape them outside.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Why don't you tell everybody what's going on? Okay, fine. I'll do it for everybody. Right, Charlie? Yes. Okay, so this is Friday. As you can see, it's snowing. Well, it's been snowing this whole week. So we haven't had school Monday, Thursday. Wait a minute. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Well, we didn't have school Thursday because of teacher workday, but this whole week we haven't had any school. And Super Bowl is on Sunday. Super Bowl week.
It should.
So this is really cool. It just means we're getting time off of spring break. But still, it's supposed to get harder and harder, so we're going to have a lot of snow again.